we have visited especially two things. One is Yangtze River and another is Yellow River. And Yangtze River economic belt, where now I am standing here, it is seen that the development and nature is actually residing side by side. So this is an experience, an example for us. Not only that, in this case, you are implementing, or China is implementing the river-shaped type projects there. It is an innovative idea for us. It might be implemented to our country also. Another thing is that once upon a time, Yellow River, that means the Huanghu River, which was basically cradle for China. Nowadays, it is under the Yellow River Ecological Corridor, which is a very successful project. We have visited that one, and we visited Hubei Huanggang urban project. There is lesson for us, and we have wetlands in Bangladesh also. So we can replicate this in Bangladesh. From the experience of China, we have many things we have learned, and we can try to implement this in Bangladesh. Thank you.